Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.6, question number 8, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. If a square and a rectangle have equal areas, show that the length of the side of the square is the geometric means between the length and the width of the rectangle. So according to condition, first of all let's suppose the sequence. Let the square and the rectangle, that is square side x, length is equal to xx and width is equal to x by x. Area of square is equal to, that is x multiply x equal to x square. Next, area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth, so L multiply W. Application. According to condition, area of square equal to area of rectangle. So area of square, that is x square, equal to area of rectangle, that is L multiply W. Taking square root on both sides, so square root cancel, equal to under root of length multiply width, so x is equal to under root of LW. Hence the length of sides of square equal to geometric means between the length and width of the rectangle, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.